Good morning, people. It's the 24th of October and it's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people. Today's the 24th of October and it's Rhazel's birthday. For her birthday, she's asked me to vlog. So, yeah, welcome to the vlog of Daniel. Good morning, people. Today's the 24th of October and it's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people. Today's the 24th of October. It's Rhazel's birthday. Good morning, people. Today's the 24th of October. Good morning, people. Good morning, people. Good morning, people. Good morning, people. Alright. Good morning, guys. Today's the 24th of October. It's Rhazel's birthday. She's 27 and she's asked me to vlog for her birthday. So the things I do for my wife. So this is probably going to be my first, my last and only vlog. So save it, keep it, enjoy it, because you won't be seeing one of these again. I prefer to buy her a present for her birthday, but she's asked for this, so I'll do it this once. So first off, for her birthday breakfast, we're going to be doing pancakes. I love pancakes, so pancakes. Banana, couple eggs, butter, and of course the mix. So I'll get started on these and stay tuned, more to come. Okay guys, Rhazel's breakfast is underway. Coffee, done. That was the easy part. Pancakes, cooking. So give those 30 seconds or so. It doesn't take long to cook pancakes. I'm not sure if I showed you this, can't remember. These flowers here I got for Rhazel last week. These were part of her birthday present. I got them last week as part of her birthday because we're going to Sydney on Saturday. So I brought them today. Today's Tuesday. I know we only last, what, 3 or 4 days, then we go to Sydney and I'll probably dial her away. So I got them last week so she gets to look at them longer. They're not bad. Thank you, Lou, for doing the flowers. The lady that did our wedding flowers also done these for me as well. So thank you, Lou. Okay guys, all finished. I've finished Rhazel's breakfast, her coffee's done. Pancake cooked. It's only a small one, but she doesn't eat much. So we'll go give it to her. Alright, let's go to bed and give Rhazel her morning breakfast. Dun, 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 dun. I'm vlogging, babe. She's still in bed.
I'm watching Chona's video.
Hello, Chona.
Hello.
There's her
How was
pancakes.
your vlog?
Good.
Thank you, babe. That looks good.
I got your coffee as well.
They can see your...
They can't see my hoo-ha. No, I'll give you that. And then...
Am I eating here?
Yeah.
I can go there.
No, yeah.
Okay. You're vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
Thank you.
Okay.
I was just... How about you? Are you gonna eat with me?
I'm gonna get your coffee.
Ah, thanks.
Yes. The things we do for our wives. For me. Alright. Coffee. Done. Da, 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 da. I know, this is so difficult as well. I feel like a wanker. I'm talking to a camera.
Oh my gosh, he hates doing this.
I hate
your
doing
phone.
it. He's calling me. I don't know that number. It's okay.
Oh, good job, babe.
Thank you, babe. I got your present as well. Thanks for asking me.
Is it a camera?
No. It's not that bloody expensive.
Okay. Do they look alright?
Sure. It's a good card. I love you to the moon and back.
You're trendy, babe.
I'm cool. The gift is only something little because we weren't doing big gifts this year.
No, we're not. Plus, we're going to Sydney as well.
So
I told him not to get me any.
it's only a little gift, people. It's support that counts.
Don't judge.
Don't judge.
Oh, the wrapper is so good, babe.
Yeah, there you go. Thank
It
you.
is expensive, the wrapper.
No, it was only $1.
Oh.
It's only $1. It's only $1.
What is it?
You gotta.
To Tommy, the trashy. What?
Don't you understand?
Oh, what is it say?
It's a fun present.
What is that?
Oh, that's only something little.
Still,
I don't know if you're gonna like it or not.
I don't have anything Michael Kors. Do I? I don't.
No.
Oh, babe, what is it?
It's only something little.
Ah, that's cute.
Yes.
I like it.
It might be too. I'm hoping it's not too big, but
No, it's not. I like it. Where did he get it? Where did he get Michael Kors?
came up.
No.
No.
Where did you get Michael Kors?
Just in the city. Your ears pierced?
Yeah. How many minutes is your vlog now?
I don't know, but I've took lots of tries to get it started.
Yeah. That's alright. Nah, I can't put it on now.
Okay, do it later.
I will.
Alright.
We need to eat breakfast. Thank you, babe.
That's alright. What have you got, babe?
Do you want me to open it?
Opening a present. This is from me as well.
No. I think it's from Zaful. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try it on because I will do like a try on video. Wait. Featuring the Zaful stuff. Oh.
What is it?
Okay. I'm pretty sure it's a romper. Do you want me to show them?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Yes, it's a romper. Looks like it's a bit big. Oh no, it's a dress! What?
What?
I don't remember getting this. It's big. Maybe it's gonna be fine. We'll see. I'll try it on in a video.
Alright, off to the next post office to get the next present. Stay tuned.
You're doing good.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hi. We got...
Hi. We got another package.
This is from Zaful. I'm not gonna open it now because I will be doing a video, guys. So I will be doing a try on haul featuring Zaful stuff. Where are you taking me, babe?
Surprise.
Surprise?
Surprise.
I put some makeup on. I have my Fenty Beauty foundation. I love the Fenty Beauty, guys. Look at that. I'm just wearing this black romper that I got from Cotton On. And then I'm wearing this kimono that I got from... I think I got this from Zaful. Zaful, Shein, or Romwe. Yeah. So I will be wearing that. That's from AMI Club Wear. I'm not wearing it yet because my nails are still wet. Where are we going?
We'll get some coffee.
The Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
What I might do, baby, drop you off, you run and get her, because you won't be able to park, and then you jump back in the car.
Okay.
Because where we go, you can't park around there. Hello, people.
Hello, people. We got our Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese coffee. Yum.
Yeah, all gone.
I drank mine. And now we're going to go go-karting.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna have lunch. We will
Not yet.
We will go go-karting. I haven't done that before. It's exciting.
In Australia, I'm a professional go-kart racer. I was in the Olympics for go-karting. I got a silver. Some people say I'm famous, but yeah. Anyway, off to go-karting. See you guys.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Yeah.
Alright, you're going to go the second door on the left where the briefing room is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
This one? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
this one.
A briefing room.
That's right, yeah.
Okay.
So just going to watch yeah, happy birthday by the way, your top's lovely.
Thanks.
So after this is finished, then you go back out that door and make your way to the track over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've got lockers that look after all your stuff and help you with your helmets.
Alright, cool.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Are you excited, babe?
I am nervous actually.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at me. I'm not dressed for this because he didn't tell me, but
Yeah.
he brought shoes for us. So.
You are dressed. This is a go-karting track. Where are we going for lunch?
I don't know, babe.
We're in Glenelg.
Glenelg.
Yes. We have no idea. We're just going to go to the marina. Zoom. And she wants rice. So
Did you bring the pink bowl?
where is it?
It's at home?
Oh,
Oh, the battery's dying.
our battery's dying, guys. Hello, people. Professional vlogger right here with 0 subscribers. This is where we're going. The marina. Sorry. I'm a weirdo. That's my boat. I live right there. This is my wife. Chaka weather today.
This is why you should tell me. You should tell me next time where we're going.
Then it wouldn't be a surprise.
I'm not dressed.
You're dressed fine, woman.
This.
What do you mean?
I'm really cold. I should have worn.
It's not
like,
cold.
If I.
What I'm wearing.
Yeah, well, you're fine.
Not cold.
You got a lot of skin.
Muscle keeps you warm.
To protect you from the cold. I don't.
Lots of skin, my ass. Muscle. It's muscle.
Muscle.
If you ever come to Adelaide, this is one of the cool places to go to the marina.
Yeah, it is cool.
A plus.
You're so good at vlogging.
I am. I should do this for a living.
You should. You should start your own vlogging channel. So where are we gonna eat?
Alright guys, we're going to choose somewhere, so peace out. Hey, peace out.
Peace out.
Alright, we have found our lunch. This is our waiter.
Hello, how are you?
His name is Jeremy.
Joe.
Joe. Joe, I was close. Cool.
Jay?
Jay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Food
Thank
here.
you.
Thank you.
Japanese Tomiko. Tomiko, is that how you
Tomato,
say it?
yes.
Tomiko. Steakhouse. Beautiful.
We're looking at getting that seafood combination one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She likes me to film people. She's a bit of a crazy person, so
Yeah.
that's alright. You find it, babe, what it is.
Yeah, that one.
The seafood combination from
combination.
here.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah. So that one's served with fried rice, miso soup, and salad. You
Yep.
happy with that one?
Yeah, sounds fantastic.
Yeah, so someone's vlogging, people. Someone's vlogging today. He's doing really good. He's vlogging all day today. Good job, babe.
Thank you, babe.
See, he's vlogging.
We're taking fake Instagram photos. Me posing.
Hello.
Hello, people. Filipinas and Filipinos. Lunch is served.
Your voice is so loud. Hello, people.
Hello, people. It's my vlogging voice. Okay. So what do you got here, babe?
So we got the seafood combination. I thought this is lobster, but it's not lobster. He said it's the what is it? We're using the iPhone, guys, because the battery died. The
Battery died.
Yeah. Okay.
Explain what we got.
So we got the seafood combination, and then okay, this one I thought it's a lobster. It's not a lobster. It's a bug. What is it? Modern Bay bug.
Morton bag bug.
Oh, whatever bug. It's a bug. And then we got what's that? We got this. This is calamari. We got prawns. We got salmon. We got the what do you call this?
Scallops.
Guys? Scallops, and then we got that
Oyster.
oyster, rice, and I got my mocktail, mango. Yum. Let's eat.
I got my beer. Hello, people. We're back. And we're at... Babe, where are we?
We're in We're at Marion shopping center.
It's not focused.
It's alright.
We're home.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm editing. I'm doing the Asian squat. He calls this an Asian squat. Show them.
Show me earrings.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing the earrings. I love it. Thank you, babe.
It's not focused.
There you go. So pretty.
Not
It
quite
is focused. It is.
Not quite
They
focused.
can see my insides now from my knee.
And they can't see the inside. Rhazel wants me to do a haul.
A haul.
A haul.
A haul.
Alright. She went shopping as well today. Cotton on. She's loving this. This is gonna be a yearly thing for her birthday. Alright, come do the haul with me.
I have to tiptoe.
Okay.
Because I'm really sure. Oh, hello.
Can we show them and then cut it with me wearing it like?
Yeah, you can do that. You want to do a try on haul, babe?
What's the try on haul?
You're doing good, babe. You want to try on haul? You try on. Is this gonna be a try on haul?
Yes.
I love this. Go ahead.
So we've got this red shirt. It's a medium. Maybe large, I'm not sure.
Maybe. Who knows?
Who knows? Alright.
He loves red, by the way.
I love red.
I feel like we're screaming.
Another grey top. I like the plain tops. Simple.
Yep. What's the size of that one?
That's another medium. They're all mediums. Alright. And third one is a grey one.
That one is I like
Not
it.
that exciting. Just
No, show them the print. It is NYC. Because he wants to go to New York, right?
doesn't say for Europe.
NYC, New York City.
No.
What's NYC then?
It's the name of a car here in Australia with this car called NYC. Yeah.
Are you for real?
It's a race car.
Oh, is it? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
In here? No, it is.
I feel stupid.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. So we're gonna
Try it on. What are you gonna try on first?
we'll go red. So what you gotta do is like flash me the red top and you edit it. Flash the next colour and flash the next one.
Okay, do the flash.
Ready? This is when you cut it. Cut. You say you
What
cut
do you mean flash though? What do you mean flash?
So you cut the editing there.
Yeah, and then.
And the next one me pops up with a red top.
Okay. Oh my gosh. You look good. I love that.
They're
that
red.
looks really good on you.
They're red.
It's a medium.
Told you.
That looks nice, babe.
Next one.
That looks good on you, babe.
Grey.
Yeah, I love that. Did you tell them this is from Cotton On?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the bag. Cotton on. $150 Australian. Each one of them. 150. Alright.
Yeah.
Last one.
Next one. Oh, I love this one as well. I like that. I like
I
that.
like this one as well.
Yeah.
Everything goes well with these shorts.
I know.
Alright.
You need to start wearing the Kmart shorts that I got for you last year. The brown one. That's a good one. Mwah. Whatever.
Alright. Can we end the vlog? Have I done enough today?
No, we can't end the vlog. It's not end of the night yet.
It's dark outside.
It's not dark. It's what time is it? 7. It's only 7. We're having dinner. Are we having dinner out? Oh, we're gonna cook the HelloFresh.
Too hard. Are you hungry?
No.
Never mind.
Okay, we'll just have popcorn.
Popcorn for dinner.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. He's such a tight ass. He just has popcorn for dinner. This is our dinner, people.
We got that from Aldi. We went to Aldi one time.
We'll have this for dessert. Alright guys. I reckon I'm gonna call that a night. It's late. It's late. Rhazel is tired. She's had a big day. She's 27. She's old.
I'm old.
She's old. Are you old, babe?
Yeah, I'm old.
You're old.
A year older.
Have I done a good job vlogging today?
You did.
I
He
did.
did an amazing job. Let us know below if you want him to do this often.
We have to get both in the picture. This is how the professionals do it. I will not be quitting my day job to be a vlogger.
No, you can't.
I can't.
No, don't.
I won't make enough money.
No.
No.
But I think they will love this. I think they will love you vlogging.
No, they won't.
He's not like shy vlogging in public. He would just put the camera out like, hello people.
Hello, I do this hard. Really hard. Hello.
It's so high as well. Like, it makes me look really, really small because you put it like so high up, but it's fine. It's alright.
Alright. Daniel's fat. He's fat.
Nah.
I am. Alright.
Let us know if you want him to vlog again. Please like this video. How many likes do you want?
We need a billion for me to do it again.
No,
Yes.
be realistic.
Okay.
Like,
2 million.
no, we can't even reach 2 million views. Likes. How many likes?
None.
Now
we'll do this a yearly thing. For Rhazel's birthday, once a year I'll do it.
Okay, I'll take that.
Take it. That's all you're getting. So.
Yeah. Oh, you're looking at the screen as well, not on the lens. You should look at the lens. That's fine.
They can't tell.
First time.
No one can tell where I'm looking.
Yeah.
I just hold this far away. Alright.
Hello, people!
Alright. I think we're done for today.
Are you?
Yeah. So in Rhazel vlogs, you get some tune like this. Like this.
Well, I can't. I'm not.
Let's say goodbye to people.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. I'll see you next year for our 28th birthday.
Thank you, babe.
And we'll see you in Sydney next.
Oh, yes! Thank you, babe. You did
That's
great.
okay. No worries.
Thank you also to all the people that greeted me on my birthday on Instagram. Thank you. And to all the people that messaged me privately, thank you. I appreciate you all. Thanks. That's it. I don't want to say anything.
Alright. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Oh. Good night.
Good night.
Mwah.
Love you.
Done. Love you too.
Bye.